they scored 4 shorthanded goals. Kreider scored! Chris Kreider! It's a power play goal!
Fans remember Tony DeAngelo.
And moving in is Jarvis, and he scores! Seth Jarvis with a beautiful shot has tied it up. Each team with a power play goal. Stopped his rush. Trouba trying to keep it alive. DeAngelo swept it away. Trouba in after it again. Centers, and they score! Will Cooley! Great play by Jacob Trouba to set him up. 2-1 Rangers. Long shot by Marty Necas goes wide. They're missing the net with some of these shots. Here's Brady Shea moving it up. That shot, they score! Wow, it was that quick. And that's Jack Drury who scores the goal. Michael Bunting getting power play time. That shot, oh! It goes by the glove of Shesterkin. It's another power play goal for the Carolina Hurricanes. Andrei Svechnikov gets the goal. The second one. Zibanejad gets it to Panarin. Long shot from the point. Score! Trouba took the shot. Kreider deflected it. And the Rangers are on the board. And Jacob Trouba assisting on the goal as well. Shesterkin gave it up, and they score! Shesterkin failed to clear the puck. He had trouble, gave it away to Jordan Staal, and Jordan Martinook comes in and scores.
I'll tell you what happened, Sam, is that there was miscommunication between...
Did not have a shot on goal on that power play. They're 0 for 3 on the power play in the game. Necas with a pass that was tipped. Shot by Chatfield, they score! May have been deflected in front by Martinook. Chatfield with a shot, and after the Rangers fail on the power play, the Hurricanes...
He doesn't play a passive game. He's in the middle of things.
Driving to the net, Svechnikov scores! Andrei Svechnikov showing speed and strength. He makes it 5-1 with his second goal of the game. Long shot by Lindgren, a save, long rebound. Chicago playing at Nashville tonight. Nashville leading 1-0 in the second. In front, they score! What a pass! It made its way through, and Michael Bunting puts in a backhander to give Carolina a 6-1 lead.
Ryder backs up his center in the offensive zone. Pesce ties him up. Rosovic gets it out to Zibanejad. Now to the point. Long shot doesn't get through. Everybody went off from Kreider. Second chance from the boards. It banks in and they score. Adam Fox and company